Hello, everybody! That's right, Deadpoolio the Amazing is back. It's been a while. A long while, actually. I've been pretty busy. School started for me, junior year of high school. Actually gotta do crap. But today, I am home alone, so I just decided, you know what, I'm bored as hell. Let's do a YouTube video, okay? I'm gonna be playing on the PS4. I just got it. I don't think I've even showed you guys a video where I play PS4 yet. I would love to just upload a video with me playing with my face other than using my iPad, but I can't do that yet. And no, I'm not gonna do the ice bucket challenge. That's everywhere. I'm not doing that. No way. The suit would get wrinkled up in a million ways possible. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna play Watch Dogs for PS4, and I hope you all enjoy it. Well, I already beat the campaign. I might do that in a separate thing if I actually get a thing going with it. But until then, I'm just gonna be messing around with it. Alright, so enjoy. Alright, I'm gonna try to make this video 10 minutes long. And here we go. I'm running from the cops. I'm in a cop car, so it doesn't really make any sense. I don't know, I'm bored. I can go through trees, but not cement blocks. Stupid cement. Hey, you don't see anything. I'm just a cop like you. I know the life. It's hard, not life for cops. It's a life for cops. Get a grip and we get shot. It's a hard, not life. What the hell was that? What the fuck did I just hit? I blow up if I hit a building? What the hell? Yeah. Oh. Hey, lady. You do. Excuse you, motherfucker. What? Don't you swear to me? Don't swear. Hey, give me that phone. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. It's mine. That's right. I am not reimbursing you for that. Hey, you look just like the guy from the campaign. Hey, wait. Wait. You look just like the guy from the campaign, dude. What was his name? Oh God, what was his name? What was his name? The big black fat guy from the campaign. What is your name? Sir? Sir? What is your name? What's your name? What? Wait. Your name is Omar. I hate you, Omar. You suck, Omar. Really? The fireman is running away? Oh no, help! We need emergency services! Alright, that's me. Even though firemen don't do that. My grandpa was a fireman. He has a cool axe in his house. Alright, might as well do one thing while I'm here, instead of just getting cop chases. Ooh, a fixer car. We'll do that. I already did all the fun stuff, really. I already did the gang wars and stuff like that. So all I got left are these stupid fixer contracts. Backstory time. A hot car.
I think I can do that.
Ooh.
Probably best to play it safe and try to avoid any heavy traffic.
In this video, I'm literally wearing my Deadpool suit, and I'm playing, and since you can't hear me with my air conditioner on, I am very hot right now. So you people are very lucky. My fellow, what did I call you guys? Taco lovers before when we were Suicide Taco? No. Oh God, sneeze. Oh, people. Oh, ah. And a sneeze. Where's my second sneeze? I always sneeze twice. Apparently not today. Not today, nose. Come on, let's go, let's go. Ooh. Ah! Shit! Sorry, I partied too hard last night. Partied way too... Really? You don't even care? Wow, these people are super chill. Guess nobody's mad enough to stand up to the vigilante, huh? Ow. These things are like indestructible. Oh jeez. Can I go through? What? I did it! I made it! What? No! No! No, that's unfair! What? What the hell? This game hates me! Hates me more. Yeah. It's so sad. I cannot cry in this suit because then it will smell awful. I should make a suit out of tears. Oh, right. Then I would be cool. Are tears hot or cold? I'm pretty sure that tears are cold. Pretty damn sure. 'Cause I don't cry. I'm a man. I don't cry. Except with mean comments, then I cry. Who doesn't cry with mean comments? What? I don't know about any of you people. The Walking Dead's coming back on soon, so I'll be busy. Ooh, yeah, you scared me. You're scary, dude. You should be one of those haunted house steelies thingers, Captain Skipper thingies. I say way too many movie lines in my life, don't I? Break. Come on, stop. Oh, now I get to go on a boat. I'm on a boat, motherfuckers. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat. See, I usually listen to music when I play video games. And I have like this big radio next to me that's really loud. But, you know, it'd kind of be really bad to blast that while I'm talking. You wouldn't be able to hear me. If you don't want to hear me, then my next video I'll just do funny stuff to the music. Wow, look at my hands when I drive. I'm a DJ. I'm a DJ. Get your frick down. I'm so cool. Drive one-handed. Yeah, can I drift on the boat? Let me drift. Yeah! Crash! Ramming speed! Oh, no, 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 no. I'm going away! Get off. Stupid boat. There, your boat's parked out here. You have to swim. Park. It's dumb. Shit, I do not know. I don't know words. This dock does like the same exact thing apart. Oh, signs. You know what game I really want to get? I want to get Infamous. That's awesome, dude. That's awesome. Is there pink inside this car? Can I keep this car that has pink inside of it? This is gonna sound super duper, like ultra flannel racist. But is this car for a black man? I think it's for a black man. That's probably really racist. I'm sorry. I'm just... I don't know, it's just... I always just think that for some reason. You know, it's just the racism in me. Stupid Chalupa. Chalupa makes me racist. You know, you guys have heard Chalupa's real name like a bunch of times already. Get out of the way! Boom, bitch! Get out the way! Get out the way, bitch! Get out the way! One thing Chalupa and I have been doing recently is we've been saying the South Park movie lines. You know, like from the bigger, longer, and uncut. Kyle's not that bitch, and she's such a dirty bitch. Yeah, it's a good movie. It's a funny movie. Completely inappropriate if you're like under 15. Has like the most swears in any movie I've ever seen. But it's funny. It's awesome. Yeah, I did it. Woo. See, I don't get why I get like 9,000 reward if I did all those jobs and then it says like 12,000 or something on there. It doesn't make any sense. See, look, one thing I like about this is this guy, Aiden, you can dance. Oh, put your hands in the pocket. Yeah, y'all cool. Y'all cool with this. You cool. Look at that. Strange door, huh? Go closer. Go closer to the door. Closer. Go. Go to the door. A crime! I'm Batman. I must go to the crime. Woman, go. Go to the door. What? Go to the door. Go. Go inside. Nope. Go. Go. Why can't I? Go in the door. My God, she's Wonder Woman. Black Wonder Woman. Get in the door. Get in the door. Get in the door, Wonder Woman. Get in the door. Go. Go. Not you, Wonder Woman. Go. Get in the door. I'll circle you. Get in the door. Get in the door. Get in the door. Yeah. God damn you, Wonder Woman, get in the motherfucking door!
You don't want me. No, I'm
Get in the door!
You're so awful.
You suck, Wonder Woman. I purposely missed. Look at me, I put my mask on. Oh, cool. Alright. I gotta go solve some crimes. Batman! It's alright, need your car. I will not bring it back. That's the whole thing, like, you get like the, you get like rated if you're like a vigilante or not, but then you never give these people back their cars. You steal cars like every day, and that doesn't bring down your, that doesn't bring it down at all, but when you kill people, it brings it. It's just if you kill people. Because killing people is wrong. Unless if they try to kill you, apparently. A brain tumor? I can speed up that process for you if you want. I can just kill you. Oh, potential victim. Abara. Don't worry, Dino. I'm gonna save you from whatever the hell I'm doing. For you. I don't know who you are. Frequently purchases. You must lose the lottery a lot. Jim. Come on, Dino. Chris?
You really thought you could...
Dino, I'm coming, buddy. No, don't hurt Dino. Right. I have the force. What the? There's a floating gun. Can I take it? I would like the floating gun, please. Oh, you're addicted to pink? I get... Where's your head? I see why you needed all those painkillers. That must have hurt a lot. Jesus Christ, Chris. You're an associate? Associate what? Huh, wow, dude. Yeah, that must have hurt a lot. This also hurts, too. One nut. Two nuts. Give me the gun. Want the floating gun? Want the floating gun? Want the floating... Look at this. Look at this moon. Look at these moons. Look at these moons. Look at the moon. Look at these moons. Alright. You see all those moves? Yeah, look how cool I am. My head can go through this wall. You see that? See that? Apparently, I have like the power of all the X-Men. I can get shot 1,000,000 times and live. I can also go through walls. Ooh, steam pipe. I love those things. Come on, I want to blow something up. I want to blow people up. Oh, that's right. Oh, that's right. You just got crushed. Look at me, I'm in a tiny little car. I'm so adorable. I'm like an orange Smurf. That's not right at all. There are no orange Smurfs. Carlos, seriously? They already lost sight of me? Give you hints. There you go, there's your hint. Come and get me. Come and get me. Come and get me. Come and get me. I don't know how much clearer I can be. Come and get me. Oops. Wrong one. Hey, stop. Slow me down, stupid cop. Hey. Stop that. Would you stop that already? Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna end up killing myself here. Ah. Boom. Alright, Alrighty, that's enough playing Watch Dogs. I went way over 10 minutes, but I'll probably end up cutting this video down a little bit, you know, bit by bit. But anyway, leave a like if you enjoyed. Comment to give me more ideas, any more games that you like. I'm going to be doing a video with Chalupa soon. You'll probably like it. It's a Rage card game. It's called Mao. I'm not supposed to tell them the rules, so it's going to be really funny. So, yeah, I'll try to make some more videos, because I kind of stopped for a while. So I'll try to make more, and, yeah, I'll see you all later.